Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get a big enough bowl, come in with some water, then come in with enough salt. With the help of a spoon, I'll mix it up very well so the salt dissolves into the water. Now, as you can see, got my fresh yam over here is being cleaned very well. I'll go ahead and peel it. I'll get a sharp enough knife and cut the yams into strips. I mean, the size depends on your choice. I prefer to cut them into about, let's say, 1 centimeter thick. Then this is what we have here. Put this in the salt solution for about 1 hour. So basically I'll leave it alone for an hour so that it kind of sucks in the salt. Get a pan, put it on fire and come in with some oil. Next, I'll throw in some onions. I want to fry onions in the oil for about a minute to actually infuse the oil with its flavor. Now it's time to come in with the yams, so I'll just drop them into the hot oil. Don't forget we're doing this on medium to high flame. So basically I'll fry this for about 5 minutes. So it's been up to about 5 minutes and it is ready, so I'll just get them out of the hot oil. After frying everything, this is what we have here. Like, it smells so good, it's so delicious. I prefer to eat these with mayonnaise. I mean, you can choose your favorite sauce, but I prefer some mayonnaise and some parsley sprinkled on it. And guys, you definitely need to give this a try. It's so delicious. It's way better and healthier than French fries. Hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.